Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 5, Noun, Numbers, from the book Grammar 2. Singular and plural. The nouns that name one thing are called singular nouns. The nouns that name more than one thing are called plural nouns. तो जो ऐसे nouns होते हैं जो किसी one thing को name दे that are called singular nouns. और ऐसे nouns जो more than one thing को name दे उन्हें हम plural nouns कहते हैं. We usually add s to naming words when we talk about more than one. ज्यादातर वर्ड्स में हम s ऐड कर देते हैं एंड में जब हम प्लूरल की बात करते हैं, मोर देन वन की बात करते हैं. ओके, then we have look at the pictures and read the words. So we have to look some pictures and read some words. So here you can see there is a one boy. Then in this picture you can see 3 boys. Here you can see there is highlighted S. Why so? Because it makes it plural. We have added S in the end of boy, which makes it plural. Okay? Then we have one girl. And here we have 2 girls. Again, we have added S in the end of the word girl to make it plural. Then we have one pencil. Here we have 5 pencils. Again, S is added in the end of the word to make it plural. Then here we have one apple. Then 5 apples. Again, S is added to make it plural. Then we have one bat. Here we have 4 bats. Then one bird. Here we have 3 birds. Now, by adding ES, we often add ES if the word ends in S, double S, SH, CH और X. अगर कोई वर्ड एंड हो रहा है S से, डबल S से, SH से, CH से, X से, तो हम उसे प्लूरल बनाने के लिए उसके एंड में ES ऐड करते हैं. Read the following examples. We have some examples. 1 potato. Now 2 potatoes. Here you can see we have added es to the word potato to make it plural. Then we have 1 tomato. There we have 4 tomatoes. Again, es is added to the word tomato to make it plural. Then we have 1 glass. Here we have 2 glasses. Here you can see we have in the end double S. That's why we have added in the end ES to make it plural. Then 1 brush. We have 3 brushes. Again, there is a SH in the end. That's why we have added ES to make the word plural. Then we have creative skill. Time to do. A. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the nouns given to show one or many one has been done for you. So we have to fill these blanks. Okay. One is already given. First, 1 cat, 2 cats. Now second, 1 dog, 3 dogs. We'll add S in the end. Third, 1 book, 3 books. Again, we'll add S to the end. Fourth, 1 table, 5 tables. Again, we have added S. Then fifth, 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes. Now, in the end, we have added ES. Okay. Then we have sixth, one bus, many buses. Here we have added es. Why? Because the word ends with s. Then we have seventh, one glass, many glasses. Again we have added es. Why? Because the word ends with double s. Eighth, one tiger, three tigers. Now in the end we have added s. Then ninth, one bench, two benches. Here we have added es. Why? Because the word ends with ch. 10th, one bird, three birds. B. Rewrite the following sentences by using correct form in the blank spaces. One has been done for you. So we have to write some of the sentences and one is already given. First, Rakhi has three kites. Now the correct answer is Rakhi has three kites. We have the word three means we have more than one. So here we need to use the plural form of the word, but it is given the singular form of the word. So that's why we have changed kite into kites. Okay. Then we have second, my father has three watch. Now we have to change the watch. What changes into watches? Why? Because it ends with ch, so we'll add es in the end. So the answer is my father has three watches. Then we have third, I ate three orange. Now here you can see again we have three means we are talking about many things. So here we need to have the plural form of the word, but it is given singular form. So we need to change the orange into oranges, right? So the answer is I ate three oranges. Then fourth, mother cut four potato. Now again we have four means we are talking about more than one. So this word need to be plural but it is given singular. So we need to convert it to plural. So here we'll add or here we'll write potatoes. So the correct sentence is mother cut four potatoes. Then fifth, he has two pet dogs. Now they have given two means we are talking about more than one. So here we need to have the plural form but it is given singular. Now we have to tell the or write the plural form of dog which is dogs. So the correct sentence is he has two pet dogs. Then we have sixth, there are five lions in the zoo. Now, here the correct sentence is, there are five lions in the zoo. Then we have nouns that end in y. So, we also add es to some words ending in y. We change the y to I and then add es. हम कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स भी होते हैं जो कि y से एंड करते हैं उसमें es ऐड करते हैं. हम y को I में चेंज कर देते हैं देन es ऐड करते हैं. ओके, नाउ look at the pictures and read the words. So we have to look at some pictures and read some words. one story. Now, two stories. Here you can see Y is changed into I and we have added ES. So, that's how we make the plural of story, which is stories. Then we have one lily and here we have many lilies. Again, IES is added and we have removed Y. Okay, so that's how we got lilies. Then we have one fly. Here we have many flies. Again, Y is changed into I and in the end we have added S. That's how we get flies, the plural of fly. Then one lorry, three lorries. Know it. If there is A, E, I, O, U before Y, we simply add S to make the nouns plural. Examples boy, boys, day, days, toy, toys. अगर Y से पहले वाले लेटर में वोवल है A, E, I, O, U है तो हम सिर्फ उस वर्ड में एस एंड एस ऐड कर देते हैं ताकि वो प्लूरल बन जाए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बॉय का बॉयज, डे का डेज, टॉय का टॉयज. हियर यू कैन सी यहाँ पर ओ दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पर ए दिया हुआ है, अगेन यहाँ पर ओ दिया हुआ है. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव एडेड एस 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 टू ईच. ओके, देन बाय एडिंग VES, some words ending in F or FE have VES. We leave out the F/FE and add VES. तो जो कुछ वर्ड्स होते हैं जो F या FE से एंड करते हैं उनके एंड में हम VES ऐड कर देते हैं. हम F और FE को हटा देते हैं और VES ऐड कर देते हैं. Now look at these pictures and read the words given below. So we have one loaf, two loaves. Here you can see the word is ending with F and we have removed F and we have added VES. That's how we get the plural word. Then here we have one leaf, two leaves. Here we have F in the end. Again, we have removed the F and we have added VES. Okay. Then here we have one thief, three thieves. So here you can see there is F. Again, we have removed it and we have added VES. Then one wolf, three wolves. Got it? Now we have know it. Some words have the same singular and plural form. कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे भी होते हैं जिनकी सेम सिंगुलर फॉर्म भी होती है, प्लूरल फॉर्म भी सेम होती है. जूली हैज अ शीप. जूली के पास एक शीप है. देन इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मोर देन वन, देयर आर 10 sheep in the field. Again we have wrote sheep. So again we can say that sheep has same singular and plural forms. Then some nouns are always written in the plural forms. कुछ nouns ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें हम हमेशा ही plural forms में लिखते हैं. For example, trousers, spectacles, jeans, etc. कभी हम trousers को trouser तो नहीं बोलते, right? ऐसे ही jeans को हम jean तो नहीं बोलते. Always we write it as jeans or we say it as jeans, right? Then we have spot the error, spectacle which is wrong and spectacles which is right. Why we always add S to it to some of the words? Why? Because they are always in a pair. That's why we have already added S to it. Then we have creative skill, time to do. A, write the plural form of these nouns. So we have to write the plural forms. Let's do it. First, cherry. So there is a Y. So we'll remove Y and add IES. So which makes it cherries. Then second, we have daisy. Now again we'll remove Y and add IES, which makes it daisies. Then third, city. The plural of city is cities. Then we have the fourth one, family. The plural of family is families. Then we have fifth one, story. The plural of story is stories. Then we have sixth one, lily. The plural of lily is lilies. Then we have seventh one, lady. Plural of lady is ladies. Then we have eighth one, ferry. The plural of ferry is ferries. Then we have B, write the plural form of these nouns. So we have to write again the plural form of some of the nouns. First, knife. So it has end with letters F and E. So we'll remove F and E and add VES, which makes it knives. Then second, elf. Now the plural of elf is elves. Here we have removed F and added VES. Then third, wolf. The plural of wolf is wolves. And the fourth one, wife. The plural of wife is wives. Then fifth, thief. The plural of thief is thieves. Then we have sixth one, shelf. The plural of shelf is shelves. Now we have more plurals. Some nouns do not follow any rule when changing from singular to plural. कुछ nouns ऐसे होते हैं जो कि कोई rule follow ही नहीं करते जब उसे singular से plural में change करना होता है. For example, man, men. You have seen that A changes into E. There is no such rule. So there is a whole new word, kind of, we say, men. Then here we have goose and the plural of goose is geese. Okay. Now we have critical thinking, time to do. E, match the singular and plural nouns. One has been done for you. So here we have to match singular and plural nouns. One is already given. First, man matches with C, men. Second, woman. The plural of woman is women. This one. So we'll match second with E. Now third, deer. The plural of deer is same, deer. So we'll match third with B. Now fourth, ox. The plural of ox is oxen. So we'll match ox with A. Then fifth, half. The plural of half is halves. Now we'll match fifth with D. Then sixth, child. The plural of child is children. So we'll match sixth with H. Then seventh, thief. The plural of thief is thieves. So we'll match seventh with I. Then eighth, wife. The plural of wife is wives. So we'll match eighth with F. Then ninth, sheep. The plural of sheep is the same, sheep. So we'll match ninth with J. Then tenth, tooth. The plural of tooth is teeth. So we'll match tenth with G. Now we have to review. The nouns that name one thing are called singular nouns. तो noun जो ऐसे वर्ड्स जो कि सिंगुलर थिंग को या सिंगल थिंग को नेम दे, उनको हम सिंगुलर नाउन्स कहते हैं. द नाउन्स दैट नेम मोर देन वन आर कॉल्ड प्लूरल नाउन्स. ऐसे नाउन्स जो मोर देन वन थिंग को नेम दे, उन्हें हम प्लूरल नाउन्स कहते हैं. सो आई होप किड्स एंजॉय लर्निंग विद मी. विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. बाय बाय.